Laughing Loon presents Building Ootek, Part 9. The kayak pictured here is Ootek, designed and being built by Rob Max. The building shown here is a condensed version of the more detailed information in my instruction books and how-to videos available on my website. To recap from Part 8 of Building Ootek, the hatch cutouts from the deck are 3/16 of an inch thick. Our magnets are an 1/8 inch by 3/4, so we have to add this padded layer of ring around the hatch cover cutouts, so when we drill recessed holes for the magnets, we don't drill right through the hatch cover. Now that the hatch cover is going to be thicker, we have to make the deck thicker also before we add a lip for the hatch cover to rest on. This padded section of ring is glued under the deck. The wood ring applied around the edge of the hatch cover to recess the magnets into is 1 1/8 inches wide, so that the magnets are not close to the edges. To create the deck lip which the hatch cover will rest on, 3/16 inch thick wood panels covering half of the hatch cover are clamped to the hatch cover, and the shape of the hatch cover is traced. Then a line is scribed about 1 inch past the hatch cover edge, using the hatch cover edge as reference. Cutting on this outer line is the area which will be glued under the deck. Then the outer edge of the deck lip is used to scribe the inner edge of the deck lip which the hatch cover will rest on. Over the years I've learned that placing the gasket between the magnets does not work. The magnets are at their strongest when they're almost in contact with each other. So what I do is to place my gasket inside of the magnet ring on the hatch cover. The deck lip is aligned with the hatch cover. Then I measure carefully around the inside perimeter of the deck lip to make sure that the hatch cover is centered all the way around equally. This will help me locate the magnets. I mark the distance from the inside of the hatch edge to the inside of the deck lip, and I measure from the outside of the hatch edge to the outside edge of the deck lip. This gives me a spacing to put the magnets in between. Then I use a compass to mark the magnet locations. I'll be using 8 magnets in the hatch lip and 8 mating magnets in the hatch cover. Once I have the locations marked in my deck lip, I'm ready to drill holes for my magnets. I set up my drill press with a 3/4 inch wide Forstner bit. I'm going to drill through the deck lip and just into the hatch cover ring. This will perfectly align magnets in the hatch lip with the magnets in the hatch cover. After I've drilled all the holes through the deck lip, I will remove it and finish recessing the holes in the hatch cover. I test fit each magnet to ensure the correct depth. Install the magnets in the countersunk holes. Pre-wet the surface of the ring and cover the magnets with a layer of fiberglass. This is critical to keeping the magnets waterproof. Install magnets in the deck lip and turn the deck lip upside down and fill the voids behind the magnets with thickened epoxy. I hide the magnets in the deck lip by covering them with a veneer so they're not visible when you remove the hatch cover. The veneers are cut to the full shape of the deck lip. The veneer parts taped together. The veneer is glued to the hatch lip. The cardboard caul is placed on top, and it's all taped together. And the whole thing is put into a vacuum press. The hatch openings are shaped and smooth. The drains are cut at the sides of the hatches. Epoxy is applied under the deck and to the deck lip. The deck lip is positioned in the hatch opening and clamped in place. Strips of ash are bent with a heat gun to fit the deck lip opening. These shaped pieces of ash fit into the deck opening will create a raised edge which will cut into the gasket, ensuring that the hatch cover stays totally waterproof. Here a bent ash strip is being epoxied into the day hatch opening. This raised edge, which must fit inside the magnet ring of the hatch cover, has to be planed down until the hatch cover fits and is flush all around. A loop of webbing is installed to create a finger pull. The magnets are so strong, you should install these loops before you try putting the hatch cover on the deck lip for the first time, or you may have a very difficult time removing the hatch cover. This completes the construction of the magnetic hatch covers. In part 10 of building Ootek, we'll be sanding and rounding bare wood edges and coating all bare wood with epoxy. We'll be feathering fiberglass and doing a rough sanding of fiberglass. For more information on my strip building techniques, see my shop tips pages at laughingloon.com. Full plans for the Sea Kayak Ootek, along with many other canoe and kayak plans, instruction books, and how-to videos are available at my website, laughingloon.com.